Hey everyone, it's me. I love you, Pooh Bear 97. My name is Rayshawn, and I'll be showing you a video on how to put globes on a Hampton Bay Huntington 2 or the Huntington 3 ceiling fans light kit. So you see those spring clips here. Spring clips right here. So you just squeeze them like this. And you grab a globe and you just simply slide them on there. And you just carefully put it on there, then you just slide it on there until it locks in and stuff. So you do the same thing, just squeeze the spring clips, insert a globe, and just slide it on there, like that. This stuff does start to get repetitive. Hold on. So you do it like that. Hold on. Like that. Hold on. Like that. This is gonna be tough doing this right there. Like that. And then you do the same thing with the other one. So now that's how to put globes on a Hampton Bay Huntington 3 or the Huntington 2. And so, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope this video was very helpful. Thanks for watching. More to come.